Hello and welcome to Cavalier Tool Plant 3. My name is Brian Bendig, the CEO and President here at Cavalier. Often we're presented with problems from our customers. They can sometimes run into difficulty running a complex part. Perhaps it's cycle time that limits their success. Could even be logistics, packaging, and other things that goes along with it. At Cavalier, we employ what we call design for manufacturing, a DFM. Before we kick off a job, we work with that customer to try to find the problems, to understand what those problems are. We then bring it into our feasibility department. We offer suggestions, recommendations. There could be geometry changes, there could be draft angles, there could be mechanisms added. And to my left, this is one of our top designers, Tony Ayera. Tony spent many years as on the floor as a tool maker. He moved himself up into design, and Tony now works with us in the feasibility department. Because he has a lot of real-life experience assembling and disassembling and understanding these tools, he's brought in on an early level to help identify problems or potential roadblocks or pitfalls before they happen, that we get a clean launch on the program, we maintain a very tidy timeline, and we build the highest quality tool for the lowest cost of ownership. All of this is to advance that tool, and the goal is to run a faster cycle time, so a reduced cycle time. We offer less maintenance than a lot of our competitors with longer longevity. So it's the full cost of tool ownership we're focused on while maintaining the fastest molding parts we can. And here we are inside the advanced assembly area of Cavalier Tool's headquarters, and it's what we call Plant 1. Behind me is one of our larger molds that we've done. And this particular tool weighs in just shy of about 87,000 pounds. In this particular tool, we're incorporating some side shot technology. We've got a lot of unique things that we've built within this tool. So this particular customer has very, very high demands. He's after an extremely short cycle time. He's very demanding on his tools. He runs them very fast, and he requires very low maintenance. So this was one that we spent a lot of time up front designing the part around the tool for the lowest amount of maintenance. We're after the most aggressive cycle time we can get, hence some of the side shots and some other stuff we do with the plastic within the tool. We've got a lot of cooling lines, hydraulic ejection, and it really is, based on the numbers, a tool that's built around the low cost of ownership. Although the tool itself can be quite expensive day one, we've put a lot into this tool to greatly reduce the everyday manufacturing costs and extend the total tool life of this tool. So it was a big home run and a big success for Cavalier, and we've got a couple more on the go, and we're pleased to offer this technology to all of our friends. Thank you.